I ended up running 10 commands at once in Kali Linux. Crazy, right? Well, I've seen people run 4 to 5 commands at once, so I decided to take it to the next level and run up to 10 commands at once. And to do that, I had to come up with a scenario. Here's what I came up with. I want to navigate to a directory, and in that directory, I want to create another directory. And in the directory I want to create, I want to have 2 text files in it, and also want the 2 text files to have contents in them. And lastly, I want to end up editing one of the text files. Now, this scenario might be really confusing considering the fact that it was made so that I would be able to use at least 9 commands all at once. But not to worry, the commands are going to break it down. So I jumped right on my terminal, punched in a few things, and voila. So this is the directory I want to navigate into, and this is the directory I want to create, and these are the 2 files I want to create: kalilinux.txt and SecureByte.txt. And then this is what I want to write into kalilinux.txt, and this is what I want to write into SecureByte.txt. Finally, I want to end up editing one of the txt files, which is kalilinux.txt. So what do you think of this command? Will it work, or will it make a mess of things? Either way, I really hope it works. Enter. This is so amazing. Like, 10 commands ran and it worked. This is the text file we created. This is what I echoed into it. So if I use Ctrl X and out, I can do ls, and wow, that was a bit of flaw here. It created the files outside. But let us check the contents of Kali and ls. It's also created the files inside where I wanted it to create it. So yeah, and I have to say, this was really awesome. It was very satisfying to watch 10 commands do everything simultaneously without me going, making a directory, watching this, doing that. I mean, hope you learned something, because I learned something. I might even go on ahead to try 40 commands all at once.